Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some confirmed spoilers for the Ipsy October Ultimate Bag. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track, do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Let's read the first comment on my last video, which was BoxyCharm October Spoilers. Congratulations, Danielle Saliba. Danielle, don't you come after me. You know I can't pronounce nothing. Anyways, Danielle says, hey. Well, hey, Danielle. How you doing, girl? I appreciate you having your bell on. I thank you so much for taking the time to comment and watch my videos, and I love you so, so much. All right, guys, so remember, if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You can either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick from that video. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into these confirmed spoilers. Now, I did find these on Ipsy on Instagram, and these are confirmed. It said everybody was asking for spoilers for the Ultimate October bag, and here they put them out. Now, a couple of these products I'll show you at the end. I can't really see what they say on them or what they are. So if you know what they are, if you would, leave it in the comments. And as soon as they do reveal exactly what everything is, I will update that in the comments down below. So just keep your eyes open for that. So the first thing is the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Mask. The next thing that we got is the Pure Lease Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Primer Moisturizer. The next thing is the Huda Beauty. Now, I called this the gold palette. I don't know why I called it that. This is the Obsessions Topaz eyeshadow palette. And there are different ones of this, so I don't know if there's going to be different variations of this stuff or not, y'all. The next thing is the Real Her. Now, this is the number 2 Do Your Squats palette. And I know there's a couple different ones of these too, but this is the one that is in that picture right there. Again, I don't know if it's going to be variations or not. Now, the next thing is a Makeup Geek. It looks like a highlighter. It could be a bronzer, but it looks like a highlighter to me. Now, they made these duochrome highlighters, and that's exactly what it looks like. Looks like this shade Luster, but then again, y'all, I could be wrong. Now, the next thing is the Kaleido Cosmetics. This is an eyeliner. It's the Obsidian Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And the next thing, and I never found this till I went through Ipsy's account, is the Unicorn Glow thing right here. It's from Lock Color. It's the Illuminating Unicorn Glow Primer. Now, the next thing, this little thing right here. Now, there has been a couple different things, but I'm pretty sure it comes from the brand CS Moy Beauty, and it is a lip gloss, and here's the shade that I found right here. I'll put the shade up right here. But now I have gotten a liquid highlighter from Pacifica that has the same packaging. So I'm pretty sure it's the first one because they had that in last month's bag. But it could be this Pacifica Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe Multi-Use Highlighter. And I got a shade called Dance that it looks like. But I'm pretty sure it's the CS Moy Beauty Lip Gloss. Now, next is this some kind of a skin product. Now, again, I don't know what this is. I can't see it. I'm half blind. I'm really old, so I couldn't blow it up to see what it is. So if you know what this is, just make sure you put it in the comments. We'll check it out and see if it's it. And I'll update you in the comments again. And then next is this little thing right here. And I don't know what this is. I really don't. I can't read it. I can't blow it up to see it. Again, if you recognize this, put it down in the comments. And then next is this. Now this, I could see that the name of the brand is Cola, and it's got like a little leaf up there by the O, I think. But I'm not exactly sure which exact product this is. Now, I searched all through their stuff and couldn't find it. If I do, I'll slip it in here before I edit the video. But if you recognize this, just let us know. Now, next, there's a clay mask. And for some reason, I can't see what this thing says either, even though it's written in like a mint green electric color. Again, if you recognize it, put it down. Now, again, guys, if you recognize any of these products that I didn't, put it down in the comments, and as soon as they reveal or they confirm exactly which products these are, I will update in the comments below. So again, keep your eyes open for that. And that's it. That's all I got for you. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Allie's son. Allie says, Mandy, you never disappoint. Love you. Oh, well, thank you so much, Allie, and I love you too, honey. And I really appreciate you taking the time to comment and watch my videos. And I love you so, so much. Now remember, guys, if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. And as always, Ipsy will be linked below if you want to go check him out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my comments, my likes. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. And if you're not, well, just why the hell not? Won't you comment that below? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button, y'all. And then I'm going to need you to rate the video, guys, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago. And YouTube won't fix it for some reason. I don't know why. But really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss no more of my videos. You don't miss my face no more when I'm in them. You don't miss no more spoilers. You'll know everything. You'll be ahead of everybody. So please make sure that bell's on. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.